Yeah.
The accessories and everything?
Yeah, I'll buy all of those. You don't have to put tags or nothing on it. Hey guys, I'm here with Ben.
Hey.
You might recognize him from the Ready Set Resell channel. I'm over here in his part of town and we're gonna hit up the Salvation Army and see what we can find. I missed it.
Late reset. It's 20 bucks, but
You're in the box.
yep,
What's worth about 50?
50, 60.
That's awesome.
So not too bad.
I looked right past it to get this.
Oh,
Not super valuable, I think. There's a UR version. It sells for like 80 to 100.
what?
This one, I didn't see any working ones that sold. But the battery thing's fairly clean, so it might be 40 bucks.
No, she just brought that out.
Oh, okay. Nothing's priced.
No, not yet. Well, she's on her break right now. When she comes back, she'll probably be doing it.
Okay.
I'll tour the village. All the buildings here are $4.99.
Okay.
You can take the box, like put the box down and make it easier on you.
Appreciate you letting me look through it.
The more you buy, the less I have to put out.
Exactly.
This is all accessories. All more accessories.
Yep. The cars.
Cochino flamingos. Cute.
Thinking about buying it all?
I think I am. Gear Royale.
You don't have to put any out then if he buys it all.
Yeah.
Cars.
Pink flamingos.
What do you price these at?
Like $1.99.
Okay.
Like the bigger ones here, like I'd be like $2.99 on the bigger pieces.
Calvins, wow.
Yeah, they have pieces from Lazarus,
Lazarus?
Yeah.
I haven't heard that name in forever.
and then they'll have Garden Center.
That makes more sense, being local.
I got a truck to unload.
A truck.
Damn, I'm still on.
What truck?
She's running around now. I mean, it's just an SUV.
Oh. I don't have room back here for a whole truck.
Can you do any better if I just buy it all?
All of it?
Yeah.
The accessories and everything?
Yeah, I'll buy all of these things. You don't have to put tags or nothing on it.
I'll sell you the box of accessories for like 20 each.
Okay.
Like 20, 20, 20. And then let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16. It would be like if you bought them all at $4.99 each, it'd be like $65. But if you buy the whole box, I'll do $55.
Sure, let's do it.
So 55 of that, and then 20 each for the accessories.
115. There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. I'll bring your purse back here.
No,
never
not
give
at
you
all.
a price for a box.
Not at all.
Van's full. That worked out well. Well, didn't expect to buy out a whole store full of Department 56, but for $115, it's kind of hard to go wrong. That's it for this video, guys. If you haven't checked out Ben's channel, highly recommend it. Really good stuff. Ready, set, resell. I'll put a link down below in the description.